In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to apply a customer credit to an invoice in Wave accounting. Whether you're managing a small business or just trying to keep your finances in order, knowing how to efficiently apply credits can save you time and ensure your accounting records are accurate. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand sidebar of your Wave accounting dashboard. Here, you'll see a section titled Sales and Payments. Go ahead and click on that, and then select Invoices from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to a page where all your invoices are listed in a grid format. If you have a lot of invoices, don't worry, you can use the filters provided to quickly locate the specific open invoice you need. Once you've found it, click to open that invoice. Now that you have the invoice open, you'll be directed to the invoice summary screen. At the top of this screen, you should see a blue button labeled Record a Payment. This is your next step. Click on that button to proceed with applying the customer credit. Once you've clicked Record a Payment, a new window will appear with several input fields that you'll need to complete. The first field you'll encounter is Method. Click on this drop-down menu and select Customer Credit. This tells Wave that you intend to use the credit that the customer has on their account. Next, you'll see an Account field. Here's where Wave's intuitive features really come in handy. The software will automatically select the customer's internal credit ledger account for you, so you don't have to worry about choosing the wrong account. This feature helps streamline the process and reduces the possibility of errors. Moving on, you'll find the Amount field. Wave is designed to make things easy for you, so it will automatically fill in this field with the lesser of the remaining invoice total or the maximum credit available. This is a great feature if you want to apply the full available credit or settle the invoice completely. However, if you prefer to use only a portion of the available credit, you can simply delete the pre-filled amount and manually enter the specific amount you wish to apply. Once you've confirmed all the details and you're satisfied with the amount being applied, the final step is to click Record Payment. This action will officially apply the credit to the invoice, and you'll see the updated status reflected in your records. And that's it! You've successfully applied a customer credit to an invoice in Wave accounting. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial records remain up to date and accurate, making your accounting tasks a whole lot easier. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will help you become more familiar with the process, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your accounting tasks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out to Wave's support team. Happy accounting!